Hey beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you. Shampoos. We'll be discussing how to choose the perfect shampoo for your specific hair needs. Whether you're aiming for hair growth, tackling hair loss, or dealing with various hair conditions, stick around. We've got you covered. Understanding your hair. First things first, it's essential to understand your unique hair type and any specific concerns you might have. Take a moment to assess whether your hair is oily, dry, thick, fine, or somewhere in between. Also, consider any scalp issues, like dandruff or sensitivity. This knowledge will be your guiding light when choosing the right shampoo. Shampoos for hair growth. If you're on a quest for longer, luscious locks, here are some shampoos to consider. Biotin infused shampoos. Biotin strengthens hair follicles, promoting growth. Caffeine-boosted shampoos. Caffeine can stimulate hair follicles and improve circulation to the scalp. Shampoos for hair loss. Now, for those of you dealing with hair loss, you're not alone. There are shampoos designed to help. Ketoconazole shampoos. These can reduce scalp inflammation and promote hair growth. DHT blocking shampoos. DHT is a hormone linked to hair loss. These shampoos can help inhibit its effects. Shampoos for specific hair conditions. If you're grappling with specific hair conditions, there are shampoos tailored to address them. Anti-dandruff shampoos. For those pesky flakes and itching, look for shampoos with active ingredients like zinc pyrithione or salicylic acid. Moisturizing shampoos. Dry and damaged hair can benefit from shampoos with hydrating ingredients like argan oil or shea butter. How often to use shampoo? Now, a common question is how often should you use these shampoos? Generally, aim for 2-3 times a week, unless the product label suggests otherwise. Overwashing can strip your hair of natural oils, so find the right balance for your hair type. To sum it up, choosing the right shampoo is all about knowing your hair type and specific needs. Whether you're on a journey to grow your hair, combat hair loss, or manage various hair conditions, there's a shampoo out there for you. Experiment, find what works best, and remember to strike a balance in your washing routine. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe for more content.